Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I'm doing a fun smoothie bowl smoothie recipe. I call this my sweetheart recipe. It's got cherries, it's got chocolate. It's basically every lady's dream. It's healthy. I love to use these smoothie recipes, smoothie bowls for breakfast, for lunch, brunch, late afternoon post-workout snack. It's packed with protein, nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants. This one especially with the cherries. There's so many health benefits to drinking and eating smoothies and smoothie bowls. This is one of my favorite recipes that I'm going to share with you guys. This is great for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Mom's birthday. You want to make her a healthy breakfast or sweet treat. This is one that kids can get involved with. And let's just jump in. I'm going to put the ingredients and directions in the description below. And I always start out my smoothie bowls with a banana. I usually use a small banana. This one's kind of big. I'm only going to use half of it. And then we're going to put in a little bit of frozen fruit. If you want to, go ahead and just use strawberries or frozen cherries if you have those. I've almost used up a big bag of tropical blend. So I'm just going to use these. I don't want a whole lot in there, just a few pieces. And we are going to add in about a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. I like to use a honey vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. I get it from Aldi's. I just like the flavor of it. And then we're going to add in a little chocolate to this recipe. I like to use chocolate protein powder. If you've got hot cocoa mix or cocoa powder, you can totally use that. Use what you got on hand. So I'm going to put a teaspoonful, by about half a scoop of my Dutch chocolate protein powder in there, and then I am going to do, I like seeds. I like to have seeds for extra protein, and I found it really cool. It's organic super seeds. I am not sponsored at all, you guys. I found this. Where did I see this? I'm trying to think. Oh, you know what? I think I got this off Amazon, but it's got chia, flaxseed meal, and hulled hemp seeds in it, and it's packed with fiber and protein and omega-3s. I like to add this kind of stuff to my smoothie bowls. And I'm going to just take 1 teaspoon, add it in. These are really finely small grains, and so you don't really like taste or feel the texture at all in your smoothies. And then I have cherries. Now these are fresh cherries. We actually have 2 cherry trees and 2 apple trees on our property, but it's winter and we're getting close to Valentine's Day. So I have store-bought cherries. And these were fresh. I took a few minutes and pitted them out. And I have probably about a half a cup's worth. And I'm going to put half into my smoothie and blend it up. And I'm going to use some of them for the top for a little pretty decor. And again, if you're going to be using cherries, friends, make sure that you're being very careful because cherry juice can stain. It will stain your fingers a little bit. And if you're wearing light clothing like I happen to be today, it can stain. So be careful working with your cherries. And now I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of almond milk. I'm eyeballing it. That might have been closer to half cup. It's okay. And now we're going to mix this in my NutriBullet here. And if you find that you would like your smoothie bowl to be a little bit thicker, add a few more pieces of frozen fruit. I happen to have a little bit of a cold sensitivity, so I like to have mine a little bit more liquidy, a little less frozen. And so we're gonna go ahead and pour this into our bowl. You could totally just keep this as a smoothie drink if you would like. And then we are going to add some cherries to the top. And of course, we got to add a little bit of extra chocolate. I mean, mini chocolate chips, friends. You got to add a little chocolate. I like to add mine to the outside and then kind of just work them in as I'm eating my smoothie bowl. Maybe we can make a little heart. Let's give it a try. Didn't happen. Let's just sprinkle it on top. Ha! I'm not a food artist, friends. I just like to make good, yummy food. There we go. We have our cherry chocolate smoothie bowl. Hope you all like this recipe. We'll see you next time. Good afternoon. Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing a fun chocolatey coffee pick-me-up smoothie. You could totally turn this into a smoothie bowl by pre-freezing your banana, or even just making this all together and putting it in the freezer for just a little bit to let it thicken up. But I am in the mood for some iced coffee today, and I'm gonna chocolify it, add some protein, some potassium, some seeds, and this is just a really easy chocolatey coffee smoothie drink for y'all to enjoy. I'm gonna start out with my banana. My bananas this time around are a little on the big side, so I'm only using about half. I am going to throw in 1 scoop of Dutch chocolate protein powder. And I'm actually going to sneak in some reds. I'm always trying to add some extra good stuff to my drinks. And this normally would turn your smoothie bowls red, pink, but because we're doing chocolate today, it's gonna stay nice and dark brown. I'm gonna add in a splash of honey, totally optional. My honey jar got sticky. My daughter helped make some cookies, and well, needless to say, my honey jug is very sticky. All right, we are going to add in about a cup and a half of coffee. This was left over in the coffee pot this morning after my coffee. It is cooled down, so it's definitely not hot coffee. Y'all want cold coffee for this recipe. And I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of almond milk. I like to use vanilla almond milk. And then I'm gonna healthify this just a little bit more. I'm gonna throw in some super seeds. It's got chia, flaxseed meal, some hemp seeds. Really tiny, finely ground. So I'm gonna grab a scoop of those and throw that in. You don't even know that they're there. I love that smoothie bowls are so easy to add in all that healthy stuff, and you don't even realize that it's in there. Okay, we are going to mix this up. And again, if you prefer your smoothies to be more frosty style thickness, you can totally blend ice into your smoothie. I like mine to be more chilled, just like a liquidy iced coffee. So I just put the ice cubes into my glass. And now I have a healthy, tasty, protein, fiber-packed iced coffee drink to enjoy this afternoon. The chocolatiness will perk me up before the after-school activities begin with my kids. I hope you all like this recipe. Thank you so much.